Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to public and private video in TikTok. You can change the public video to private at any time, even after publication. First step is open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then tap profile in the bottom right corner. Then select the video you want to make private in TikTok. Then tap on more icon is the three dots. Then swipe left and select privacy and setting. If your video is private and you want to show it to the public, and then tap the who can watch the video option, then make it everyone instead of only me. Your video is disappear for search, but I am private this video, only me. And then okay, your video will disappear from search and no longer be viewable by TikTok users. You can reverse this to make a private video to public too.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.